Biggest mistake I've made as an investor was buying my own house with 20% down before I bought a rental property. Why? Because that money could be working way harder for you somewhere else. Let's take a look at this $1 million house as an example. If you calculate the mortgage on that $1 million house, it comes out to $42.63 a month, including taxes and insurance. Here's the crazy part. I just bought this 16-unit complex in Louisville, Kentucky, and it's worth about $1 million. And it's renting for $13,000 a month. And after all the expenses, paying a property manager, taxes, insurance, utilities, vacancies, maintenance and repairs, you walk away with $8,000 a month. You could put $200K down, just like you would on a $1 million house, and have an $800K mortgage, which is $36.65 a month in this case. And after you pay everything, you'll walk away with a monthly net profit of $43.44 a month, which covers the entire payment for your dream home. If you missed the message, I'm telling you to buy this before you buy this.